Let's find the least common multiple of 85, 125, 225, and 355. The LCM is the smallest number divisible by every input. For small numbers, listing multiples can reveal the first match. When lists get crowded, prime factors are cleaner. Factor each number into primes. For every prime, keep the highest power that appears. The LCM is the product of those highest prime powers. So in this case, the least common multiple of 85, 125, 225, and 355 is 1,357,875.